Welcome to Crisoe College, a globally competitive institute.
Good morning. Welcome to Crisoe College. We all know that this week is final exam and next week is the end of classes. So we interview the student of Crisoe College. I am Leonardo Esco.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Jubilee Kumahay.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Lorenzo Bilgito.
I am Justin James Matabalan.
So good day, ma'am. I am James Joseph Mila from Ismar 830.
I'm Jose Binsiban Saldom.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Zanler A. Aparicio.
I am Janarina Masario and I am first year student taking a Bachelor in Secondary Education major in English.
The question is, what did you enjoy most about this school?
I think that what I most enjoy about this school year is fostering friendship with my classmates because this is a new learning environment for me because I am now on my tertiary education, so new set of faces, new set of people, so that's the one thing that I most enjoy about this school.
Next question. What goals did you set for yourself this year and how did you achieve them?
I think that one of the goals that I really set for myself this school year is that to still be able to penetrate my being an honor student, and luckily I am able to achieve that with hard work and with dedication and also putting down the
I'm Casey Brett Ladera. I'm on the third year BSed English.
So my question is, what did you enjoy most about this school year?
So in this school year, I've enjoyed is about the curricular activities such as Palaro, other things such as academic activities, demos, and performance lab.
My next question is, what goals did you set for yourself this year and how did you achieve them?
So this year, it's very hard because I've set a goal to achieve. My goal is to have no line tools. And this year, I kind of achieve it for the first time. I don't know on the second time if I have any line tools, but on the first time, yes, I've achieved it. And what I did is be more active in academics.
Thank you.
I know your name and your work.
So, good morning everyone. I am Joy Plama from Accounting, Business and Management. Singhai.
Here's our question. What did you enjoy most about this school year?
So, I enjoyed most about the school year is that I made happy moments with my classmates that turned out to be my friends, and those are the lab sessions, doing activities at the same time, having fun with them. And yes, that's all. I did it today. I'm balancing my academic activities at the same time, my personal life for this school year.
How do you manage your time between studying and other activities?
I manage my time by setting schedules on what things to do during this day or during this time. So time management.
So that's all.
Thank you.
So good morning, ma'am. I know your name and your course. My question is, have you faced any challenges in your studies and how did you handle them?
Yes, I faced so many challenges. And how I handle these challenges, usually I do pray. I seek help from God, and sometimes I spend me time for me to have a break. So that's it.
Thank you.
Morning, ma'am. May I know your name and your course?
Hi, I am Rafael Pong. I am second year student of BSc.
How do you manage your time between studying and other activities?
I don't think time management is the right word, but I think it's self-management because if you have self-management, you can manage your time as well as because I am the governor and as well I can manage my time for other activities also by managing my time wisely.
What goals did you set for yourself this year and did you achieve them?
I have lots of goals this year as well as if past years, but I think the one that I have achieved this year is to be on top of the class. I have become college honor student, so I guess that is my achievement, as well as being elected as a governor of my department.
Good morning, ma'am. What's your name and your course?
Bernie Moralde, Business Administration, third year.
Have you faced any challenges in your studies and how did you handle them?
As of now, I am financially unstable, but I'm also an independent woman. So I can do all things. I need to do I need to do jobs to have support myself. So to support myself, especially that I'm the one nagpa-eskwela sa kagalingon. So dili siya sa yun, pero you need to face it and work hard to mitigate that challenges.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome.
Good morning, sir. First, English to direct and major Bismarck. So, here's my question, sir. First, can you share a project or assignment you're proud of? I'm proud of effects. Second, have you faced any challenges in your studies and how did you handle them? Yes, I have faced my challenges like getting late in a subject that's too early for me. When I woke up too late, then I have a problem with getting early in the morning when the subject is too early for me.
What's your name and your course?
I'm Sally.
Here's my question. How do you manage your time between study and other activities?
I manage my time by setting kanang time management bitaw, like set ko og kanang hours pila ra ko. Pila ko ka hours na mag-study na tapos after ang study day kanang mag-set up good time for myself, like me time.
So, have you faced any challenges in your studies and how did you handle them?
Yes, naka-face akong dagang challenges. Like for example, kana bitang mag-abot ang mga responsibility like sa household, sa eskwelahan, or like kanang ako abot na kanang ganahan ko kanang na ko'y personal time. So ano, magka-conflict like mag-abot bitaw siya, mag-lisod na ko manage. Pero so far, nahandle na sila.
Thank you.
Let's grab our boards and run to the nearest shore.